on the games book. Like, it has all these, like, games. It's actually really cool. Just like I but maybe that's a little hard to do maybe. I don't know, but you can play a game with Hangman. Like, there's a lot. Try popping. And squishy, squishy. And then this part got ripped off, and I just started sticking instead of them, so that's really what happened. Squishy, try popping now. Look at those hearts. Really feels good. And yeah, so that's basically it. And thank you. Like, give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe! Guys! You should subscribe, and if you do, yeah. So, this kind of thing, if you want, click the thumbs up button if you want another video of this and the, slime-ish, this kind of thing. Or click the thumbs up, thumbs down button if you do not click thumbs up. If you don't, I'm not proud of just like